Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can find blocked users in your Discord account, for example to unblock these on desktop computers. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to Discord, for example, via the web browser or the desktop application. And what you will need to do, guys, is click into that gear icon here in the bottom left to access your user settings. From here, navigate to content and social. From here, guys, navigate all the way down till you get to this section, accounts you have blocked or ignored, and you will see all blocked accounts listed below so that you may unblock these. However, guys, if you don't see this section here, it may be because you haven't blocked anyone. So let me give you an example and unblock this user. And after that, again, navigate to this feature here through the gear icon. After that, head over to content and social, scroll down, and as you can see, there's no blocked account section because you haven't blocked anyone. So you will need to do that first and block the contact. For example, let me go with this user here for demonstration purposes, and that is going to add the given user to your blocked list and the one icon I showed you how to access it. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.